guys, this is your friend Charlotte. Thank you guys so much for watching, and please don't forget to subscribe. Give me a thumbs up and give me a comment down below. Thank you guys so much. So you guys, happy new year. We made it, right? I wish everybody the best, okay? So you guys, today when you see me, you know I bring you a new thing, okay? So before we start this video, I'm gonna show you guys what I get for my Christmas present, okay? I always admire this woman, okay? I'm talking about Samoa Smith, okay? AKA Mrs. LL Cool J. Oh my God, I love her jewelry collection, but you know, it's a little bit up a little bit. So when I get this as a present at the holidays, girls, I love it. And I'm talking about these beautiful earrings right here. As you can see, it's so beautiful. I try to put my small diamond earrings and this one's the same together. You can see my ears is so red. It's so gorgeous. As you can see, I'm gonna leave it in my down to my description box. If you guys want it, you can purchase them. It's a little bit high, you know, but it's so beautiful. Okay, so now we're gonna start this video. This is new year, so new cream. Okay, so this product I'm gonna show you, because you know, you guys, I keep telling you, because so many of you, let me put this first before we start this video. So many of you like, oh Charlotte, you showed us so many creams and stuff like that, which one we have to use? Sweetie, let me tell you something, because the product I'm showing you, it's like not only one person, I'm showing you two. Let's get it straight, okay? So maybe the product I show you to, all of them I show, one of them may be good for you, somebody is not good for, you understand? So everybody have their different skin type, okay girl? So whatever you see that is good for you, I keep telling you, stick to it. Do not keep changing cream after cream after cream, because you see, oh Charlotte showed this, let me try it. No. I'm not trying to make you buy all different type of lotion, not like that, okay? So if you think that this product is good for you, stick to it, okay? If two of them is good for you, stick those two, because you know the weather changing, we changing our product, our cream or our lotion, okay? So today the product I'm gonna show you, you're gonna be so, because you know the cream I use those two cream that I'm gonna show you right here, this one and this one. But I keep telling you now, it's like surprise change or something. This both of them is hard to get. I'm telling you, I can't find it. But this product I'm gonna show you, I used to use this product. The reason why I stopped, because of my two product right here. This product I'm gonna show you is, you know this product before, because I know so many people use this product. But when it comes to this product, be careful what you wish for. This product needs so many oil, okay, and serum. And make sure everything you put it in there is very natural. Precious Perfect. This Precious Perfect is the cream that when I see it, I say, this cream still there, because I didn't use this cream for so long. So let me try this cream if it was good that before, that when I used to use this cream. And I'm telling you ladies, maybe you said, oh Charlotte, you always said that. Not really. Whatever is not good for my skin, I will never tell you to use it, because anytime anything I show you, I try to use this product and see if it's good or not, okay? So whatever you have at home and you think is good for you, do not go out there and buy this cream. But if you're there and you say, okay, I want to change my cream, or I want to add cream to my cream and see, try this product. I promise you, you're gonna be so surprised. This is the one I mix it and I use it. As you can see, that one is empty. And I have this one, because when I purchase them, let me pick up this. I get 3 of them. It's right here, 1, 2, and 3. As you can see, it's not something that I just go and buy it and show it to you. Oh no, this one is empty, complete empty, and these 2 is new that I didn't even open it yet. When I opened this cream, I was so surprised. I thought maybe I was small in it. So when I mixed this cream, I was like, oh my God, it's full with my container that I mixed with. So this cream, I'm gonna show you how to use this cream. Do not buy this cream and just go home and just start to put in your skin and no, don't do it like that. Excuse me. You have to mix this cream with any tube that you think is good for you, because I'm not gonna show you the tube that is not good for you. So that one, no. The tube you used before. Anytime, any product I show you, make sure that you use something that is good for you. So when you mix it with your lotion or your cream, you know how it go with your body. Period. Okay. So I use this cream to mix with my Lebijanice, the original. Okay, the original one. I didn't use this with Lebijanice lemon. No, because the Lebijanice lemon is very strong. So this one is so mild, because this one is not what do you call it, lemon in it. So I mixed this one with this one. What's the one I use? This one. This is empty. I use this, two of them with this one, with my Nature Secret serum. This one serum, okay? And you can use any kind of oil do you have, any kind of oil. Make sure you use oil too, okay? Because if you don't use serum and oil in this product, your skin gonna look so dry, and you don't want no dry skin, girl, okay? So use this. Find any tube that you like. I'm not telling you to use the same thing I'm using. Whatever tube that you think is right for you and it's natural for your skin, girl, you can use it with this. This product, sweetie, is so good. So I'm using this. I've been using this from, I think, October or something, or November or something. So the one I'm mixing is almost finished, because when I mix my product, it's like, it takes like 3 months before everything done. So I use 2 of this, 1 full of this, my Nature Secret serum, half, and oil. Any kind of oil do you have, you can use it, okay? The oil I use is this one, this oil. Make sure that anything you use in there gonna make your skin very moist and soft, okay? You see how it look like? This product is like, oh my God, it's a lot. It's so good, and it smells so really amazing, okay? It smells really good. I get so much. You can see my hands is oil than this one, as you can see that, right? It's a lot of oil in the back. Still put a lot of oil, a lot of serum. Then if you can mix with tube, any kind of tube do you have, you can mix it, okay, and use it. And I'm gonna tell you something that I don't wanna make a mistake that you're gonna make that mistake. Maybe you can use this. You are the person that you use the product that you use in your all over your body, that you use in your face. You can use it, but your girl right here, me personally, I do not. Let me get them straight there. I do not use this on my face. You know what I use on my face. If you want to see what I use on my face, you can check my YouTube channel. I have so many stuff that I use in my face. I think 3 of them, and it's amazing. Very good, and I love them. So this is just for my body, okay? You can get this from eBay, and check your local beauty supply. So if maybe you're not watching me from States, because you guys know I'm in New York City, I'm in United States. So in United States, you can go to like where they sell the wholesale stuff. Those are not good, period. I'm telling you today. When you go to the wholesale, when they're selling those products that we use to lighten our skin and stuff like that, all of them is fake. So make sure you get the original one, because those original ones, you know, so many those cream is from France. So make sure you find the original one from France. That one is very good. So you can check so many times. The one is in eBay is very good, and sometimes you can get them in maybe Amazon. But if you're not in the States, that you not live in the United States, and maybe you live in other country, Africa or anywhere, you can check your madams. You know where they sell all those cream but make sure you buy the good one. Okay, so thank you guys so much. I love always Charlotte. Bye.